Despite the name, stereotactic radiosurgery involves no cutting, no stitches, and no opening of the skull. SRS uses dozens of narrow radiation beams that cross at one small target, delivering a strong, precise dose. Unlike traditional radiation given over weeks, SRS is usually completed in a single session, lasting from 30 minutes to a few hours. Doctors commonly consider SRS for brain metastases, benign tumors like meningiomas or acoustic neuromas, AVMs, and trigeminal neuralgia. Candidates usually have a small, well-defined target where open surgery would be risky or a limited number of lesions. A radiation oncologist, neurosurgeon, and medical physicist meet with the patient to review imaging and plan the treatment together. High-resolution MRI, a planning CT, and either a rigid head frame or a custom thermoplastic mask map the target to millimeter accuracy. On treatment day, the patient lies awake on a couch while the machine moves around the head. No pain, no heat, no smell. Gamma knife, cyber knife, and modern linear accelerators all deliver SRS. The principle and the outcomes are broadly the same. Most patients go home the same day. Mild fatigue or a light headache may follow, but normal activities resume within days. The biological effect unfolds over months. Tumors may slowly shrink, AVMs close over 1 to 3 years, and nerve pain gradually eases. Follow-up MRI scans and clinical reviews continue for months to years, with additional tests depending on the condition treated. SRS is generally well tolerated, but risks include fatigue, temporary neurological symptoms from swelling, and rarely, radiation necrosis later on. Did you know? You can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost.
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.